This will be setup and review of Google TV Hub. Alright, so I got this along with my T-Mobile internet, and I set that up in a previous video. I like it so far. So now I'm going to set this up and stream some more stuff. So let's just see what it got. I'm opening the bottom. What a dork. Let's hope Dad opened that. Alright, now let's open the top. There we go. It's the Google TV. Google Hub. Like so. Quick start guide. Plug it in, right? Plug it into power, plug it into the TV. Get the remote working. Looks pretty much like a Fire Stick kind of deal. So I'm gonna go plug all this in to my TV. And I guess we'll just see if I like it or not. There's the remote. Ooh, Netflix. Just kidding. That's not a battery. What the heck is that? Silica! Don't eat that. Alright, and some very generic looking batteries. Some Google batteries. I'll crack it. Oh! Doggy said burf. Alright, battery in, put the left foot in, put the battery in, close the door. Oh, interesting. We got a network connection instead of Wi-Fi. Bet it'll do Wi-Fi too, though. Plug that in. Oh, power. There we go. I need a big old USB tree of stuff. Alright, I'm gonna plug this in. Okay, got it all plugged into my receiver, my TV, blah blah blah. Now, I need to find that input that it's on. Oh, I should have paid attention where I plugged it into, huh? Okay, I got it set up on cable sat. There we go. It's doing stuff. Okay, it's got the remote connected. English. Oh, cool. More apps. Of course there's an app. Why wouldn't there be? So we'll go the old camera here. Where'd it go? Okay. Guess we're going to update the firmware first. Forget the app. Huh. It apparently figured out my network. That's interesting. Alright, so where'd it go? Oh, dang it. Come on. There we go. Okay. Google Home app. It did not take me to the Google Home app, so let me download it. Alright, so I'm installing the Google Home app. Open that up. Get started. Allow stuff. So I'll put it on that one. Blur that one out. Next, allow. Man, it's going to find out everything about me. For devices. It's right down there. It's right there. It's right there. Google TV found. Yep. Camera permission, scan code. Oh, guess now I scan it. Oh, come on. Okay. Oops. I think I hit the camera. Let's connecting to it. There's my toddler dropping stuff. More. Where is this device? It's in the basement right now. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Blur this out. I'm going to connect to it. Okay, this says it couldn't connect. This says it's connecting. Who do I believe? It's connecting. Oh, come on. What is going on, dude? Press and hold the back arrow. Oh, okay. TV, there we go. Boy, the snow looks terrible. Welcome to Google TV. Select my services. So I've got Amazon Prime. Crackle's good. That's free. Got Discovery, Disney Plus. Hulu, Freebie, Paramount. Okay, done. Guess I'll let it send me notifications for now. Welcome to Google TV. Okay, well, does this mean I'm done? Connected, continue, checking for updates. It's gonna restart. Hopefully I'll get rid of the snowy crap. I'm assuming it's probably downloading all those apps right now. So I'm curious if any of y'all have used Google TV versus Roku versus Amazon Fire TV. I'm a big time user of Amazon Fire because of the apps, Kodi and all that stuff. I don't use them anymore, but I used to. Checking for more updates. Come on now. Oh. Updating the firmware for the remote. Come on, remote. You got it. You can do it. Oh, look there. It got a flashy light on it while it's being updated. There you go, like that. Update successful. Yay. Maybe I can watch something now. That would be great. Ah, I gotta sign into my account. I'm gonna pause it while I sign into my account. Okay, so I opened my app back up and this popped up, so I didn't have to fully log in. Hopefully, I got an insanely long email. Good grief. 3 days later. I already said do that. Already did that. Alright, I'm going to pause it while it does this. And approximately 14 days later, 10 or 15 minutes, it came up to ready, so let's see what it does. There we go. The Google TV. Alright, well, there we go. We got it all set up, and it looks very familiar, just like Roku or Fire TV Cube. So, give it a ride and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.